reports. This video is brought to you by KVP Business Solutions and will take you through the brief introduction and creation of a simple join report. Join reports from Salesforce was introduced during the Spring 12 release. It helps us to add multiple report types on a single platform and it greatly expands reporting capabilities. It also helps to combine multiple objects data in single report. In the Winter 13 release, the new features that were introduced are the export capability of the join report into Excel, and they can also be used as a component in dashboards. Some of the additional features are adding a chart, adding up to 16 report types to the report, and you can add up to 5 different blocks to a report with cross-block and custom summary formulas to each block. And you can have filter for individual blocks using standard and boolean filters. Let's create a join report. In our example, we are calculating achievement percentage for the targets and respective actuals under different record types from single custom object. Get into the report tab and click on new report button to select report type. In our example, we are selecting forecastings. Once you click on the next button, the first block is always added for you with tabular type, but you need to make some of the following modifications. Remove the unwanted fields from report and add the required fields to the report. And change the report type to join report from the tabular type. And change the block name to current quarter targets. It is an on-click event on the highlighted area of the screen. And add the required filters for the block as shown in the screen, like record type as product target and required branches and close date as current fiscal quarter. And we also need to change the view filter to all forecastings. Then we need to do the summation for the target amount for block 1. Let's start adding block 2 for our join report. Drag and drop the required fields to create block 2 as shown. In our case, we are adding actual amount field to create block 2. We have to be careful with the placement of the field to create second block. Please provide the appropriate conditions for the second block. In our case, we are providing the conditions as record type actuals and close date as current fiscal quarter and required branches. Rename the block 2 as current quarter actuals. After adding block 2, we need to set up a grouping that is common across all the blocks. Drag the block branch field from the Field Explorer section to the grouping bar. We need to create a cross-block formula to get achievement percentage. Drag Add cross-block formula option from the top of the Field Explorer to an empty slot in the current quarter actuals block. After we have added cross-block formula, the next screen pops up automatically. In our last step for creating a join report, we are calculating the achievement percentage for the 2 blocks that we have created. In the screen, just provide the appropriate name, description and percentage option for the format drop-down and select the all summary levels radio button. And select the required fields to calculate achievement percentage. In our case, we are selecting some of the target and some of the actual to calculate achievement percentage. Now our join report has been created for target versus actual. Thank you for the viewing this video. If you have any queries, please visit us kvpcorp.com or email us at info@kvp